Mustang. 1999 Ford Mustang GT, new edge body style. As you can see, riding on a little later wheel. It's a Mach 1 style wheel with extreme contact Continental radial tires on it. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirms miles are original. A little over 67,000 on this one. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front fascia. Power steering, power brakes, of course. AC blows cold. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside, interior, engine bay, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And, of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. 99 being the 35th anniversary of the Mustang, of course, as you can see by the emblem there. Two-tone interior, kind of ebony and silver. Contrasts nicely with the silver exterior. Also, as you can see, 5-speed manual transmission, center console. A few aftermarket mods, as you can see as you get back here, with the quarter window treatment, the louvers. There's also an X-pipe, like underneath it. If you check out the still pictures from the underside, Borla exhaust, nice sounding car. We're going to fire it up here in just a bit so you can hear it run. But first, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. You want to see those undersides. Check out the pans. Also looked like there was subframe connectors underneath there. So take a look at the underside, nice and clean too. All right, let's go ahead and take a little closer look at the interior of this car. Of course, power seat driver's side, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, tilt cruise, AM, FM, cassette, and CD. Don't see that all the time. You'll see a picture of the, I guess, data tag, I guess, if you will. It'll have the trim, the VIN, the paint codes, all of that, like you typically see in the Mustangs, either on the door or in the door jamb, somewhere along the line. All right. Let's go ahead and fire this up, check exact miles, let you hear it run. We'll take a peek underneath the hood. As you can see, that was a cold start. Gas gauge does work, tach works. Volt meters working. And oil pressure, of course. There's your exact miles, 67,614. No check engine lights, warning indicators, anything like that on the dash. Take a look at the top of the dash, not sun-baked, cracked, discolored, anything like that. There's that AM, FM cassette and CD unit down below, and this does work. Alright, make sure we're neutral. Nice deep throaty growl of this car, as you can hear. And the idle comes down, a little bark to it. And again, Borla exhaust, X-pipe, if I remember right underneath there. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second. Let's pop the hood. Let's check out the engine bay, and we'll wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
It's that 4.6 liter modular motor. As you can see, a little aftermarket intake manifold on there. This will be a single overhead cam engine. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Once again, that AC blows cold. Good, healthy sounding engine. There you go, looking for a new Edge. 1999 Ford Mustang GT Coupe 30th anniversary. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can always call us. We do consider trades. Financing is available. We can also assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.